Hello friends. Now I am explaining the customization process. One system with multiple study plans. As you know, there are millions of IT career aspirants, but the status is different. If you analytically classify them, they are belong to different groups. Of course, this is only one system, all of IT career. But approaches should be different. Approaches should be compatible to their convenience. Otherwise, they cannot justify that. They are disappointed. That's why, through this customization process, we classified all the aspirants individually and institution wise also, and providing different approaches. Different approaches. Here, I am giving a briefing about all the approaches. And if you refer our website, you can have a detailed plan. And first, you have to analyze you under which category you come. Thereafter, you study the study plan, and thereafter, if you want to make any revision, any modification for that according to your compatibility, you can make it. Or otherwise, you can write to us also. You can advise you properly. But one thing I am telling you, this is a finishing training, finishing placement training. You should have a time bound program which is 100% compatible to you. Just whenever you have some time and all that, if you study, you never reach the destination. You cannot derive the ensured benefit out of this. That's why time frame is very much required, and you should monitor your progress time to time, and any modification rectifications are required, you must do it promptly. Then only you can reach the destination, or you can realize your dream within a specified time. That always you remember. And here I give a briefing. My classification is like this: students, graduates, institutions, and corporations. First, I focus on students. Students means college goers. Students also are two types. First type of students are pre-final students. Actually, suppose engineering is having 8 semesters. These are belong to one of the 6 semester, first 1 to 6 semesters. These students I call as pre-final students, and who are belong to final year. They don't have much time. So these people are less serious about that career because they always relax. Some more time, a lot of time is there, but these people cannot relax. Their interests are different. Available time is different. That's why different approaches I am giving. Thereafter, graduates. Graduates means here one thing you must remember: we don't bother about their stream. They may belong to IT stream or non-IT stream. We don't expect much from colleges as far as placement training is concerned. That's why we are offering zero based training. For us, a IT student or non IT student are one and same, because IT student may have some half knowledge, that is more dangerous than having no knowledge. Non IT stream student obviously may not have any knowledge. That's why it starts from zero. What I advise IT students also, IT stream students also, study from the scratch, because you do not know this approach. Whatever you learn today, you must transform into skills. This is the career oriented training. That's why if you start from the scratch, that is realistic, and there will be no gaps in your study. It is like a chain without missing a link. In this context, one saying we have to recollect: the strength of the chain depends on the weakest link. That's why no link in the chain should be weak. All links in the chain should be equivalently strong. Okay, that point you remember. That's why if you are belong to IT stream or non-IT stream, you start from the zero. Then suppose if you know that thing, it is like a revision. You are studying it in our viewpoint, how you transform your knowledge into skill, how to own concept. It acts like a blueprint. Thereafter, how to transform the blueprint into programming skills, into realities. That's why any stream it makes no difference, and pre-final and final. As far as pre-final students are concerned, there are 6 semesters. So for them, I give them one plan of 8 months. What is that plan? It is very realistic. Once they want to start this, they have to start at the beginning of one semester, whatever may be the semester, a semester vacation. Normally, semester vacations are 1 month. So, because they will have 30 days time to concentrate, by that, continuous concentration and all that, they will be well tuned up to the system. That's why continuously they have to work for 1 month in this semester. Then they can be fully tuned up with this, and they develop lot of interest. They start first time, it may be, they start enjoying the subject. Once they start enjoying the subject, they never use the word I don't have time. Time automatically produce. Understand? You may be very busy also. Today one interesting cricket match is there, or otherwise any movie telecasted, interesting movie, obviously get time. So this is matter of career. That's why once you tune up to this system, start enjoying the result, uh, then you enjoy the system. You get, obviously you can get time. So after that, your semester period starts. It is around 6 months. In this, you plan out. Definitely get time. Some time you spend. How much I am not able to tell you. But regularly you should do. You make out a weekly plan, not daily plan. Weekly plan you make out, and weekly schedules you complete. Thereafter, at the end of the semester, summer residual will be there. Thereafter, one more vacation will come. This is also 1 month. Then you finish it. That's enough. 100% you can complete that. So this is the plan what I am giving for pre-final students. If you want complete detail, item wise, you can refer, you can visit our website eklavyauniversities.com and go through everything. Okay, and if it is not compatible to your schedules and all that, you can write to us. We can advise you an alternative plan. However, this is suitable for the most students, majority students who are belong to pre-final, and it should be within the time frame. It should not be 2 years or 3 years and all that. Don't relax. You must finish with the killing instinct. Okay. Thereafter, final year students. Final year students do not have much time, either 1 year or 6 months. So, actually, I cannot advise 1 to 2 days because they have to work on projects and all that. Some college studies are there, and that's why if they concentrate on that whole semester period and one vacation or any 30 days you take and all that, they also get 7 months time, and 100% they can finish. And by leaving the college, at the time of leaving the college, with the employability which is expected by the IT industry, they can acquire and leave with the confidence, and they will be in a position to choose an employer of their choice. So this is the plan what we are giving to them. And next, graduates. Graduates of any stream. In this context, one thing I am telling, every time I am using engineering graduates. Engineering graduates means engineering or any other equivalent. Here, that is not our requirement. Actually, IT industry is expecting engineering graduates. That's why I am always mentioning engineering graduates. In my view, engineering graduate or non-engineering graduate, it makes no difference. But IT industry does not give them opportunity, does not consider them I cannot help. That's why I don't want to misguide you. For other graduates also, if they want to study and acquire skills and all that, there is no limitation. 100% you can get it. But whether IT industry will accept you or not, I do not know. But we want to strive to change the culture. We would like to convince the IT industry, and you are going to get a international certification. With it, you can prove yourself. Then, if you are a productive candidate, if you are an industry ready candidate, they may accept it. But we cannot create any hopes to you if you are a non engineering graduate. For them, graduates, I assume that they have full time free. Actually, without having knowledge, if you go for continuously go for interviews and fail, your morale is totally spoiled. That's why I'm telling you, you appraise yourself. You appraise yourself, and with the appropriate employability, go for interviews. Then, with the one or two trials, definitely you will be succeeded in your search. So that you remember. Here, 120 days program already I explained to you. In this finishing program, we divided into three parts. The first one is compatibility test, matter of 2 days. Thereafter, SCET, software career eligibility test, that is 18 days, and thereafter finishing program. Already I explained this, and you adapt that. 120 days. And one thing, you I am assuming that you are a full time preparator. Okay, and full time means not 24 hours. One third of that, that is just 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day also, I am telling you, not at a stretch. Just you make it a 2 hours session. 2 hours you study. Thereafter you relax. Another 2 hours. Then relax. Another 2 hours. Then relax. Another 2 hours. From morning 8 to evening 10, evening 10, you get out of 14 hours, you utilize 8 hours. That is enough. 120 days you work, totally 1000 hours. The 1000 hours of your endeavor 100% transforms you as a IT industry ready candidate, and you will be empowered to choose an employer of your choice. This is our Ekalavya guarantee. Okay, you will be better than others. One thing I am telling you, you may not be ultimate, but you will in job market, you will be better than the other competitors. Obviously, you will be selected, and your study is different. You from the beginning you are studying differently for acquiring skills, knowledge, skills, and abilities. That's why your chances of climbing ladder is very high, because most employers, most companies, as soon as somebody joins, some group joins and all that, they keep an eye on them. In that, who are dynamic, they appraise, they identify. Then, who are capable enough, who are dynamic and all that, they identify, and they give opportunities to them. And ultimately, in a short span of time, they will be in a position to lead groups. They grow like team leaders or group leaders, all that. That's why this knowledge, with this knowledge, if you enter into a company, then you will be 100% compatible with the company's culture and their training. You can understand their language. Industry, IT industry is not expecting big things from you. It does not expect that you have two horns and all that. Only thing is, you must know the basic. You must have the basic skills. You should know the basics, and you should be in a position to understand their language, and you should be compatible with the training what they are going to impart. That point you must remember. That's why this 120 days with a relaxation, because you are enjoying subject, no tension at all. As I told you already, when you go for interview, your mood will be like going for a film. In which mood you go for a film, with the same mode or with a better mode, you can attend an interview, because you will have an opportunity to demonstrate your knowledge before the interviewer, because you are special, because you underwent a special training. Understand? Because of you, your interviewer also enlightened. Many of my students reported to me, whereas other students, other candidates were interviewed for 15-20 minutes, my students were interviewed for 1 hour, 2 hours also, because the interviewers were enjoying the answers of my students. Understand? Because our culture is different. I am not from the computer science stream. I am a management person. So all these concepts are my brain children. That's why they can find a special flavor in your answers. That's why definitely you can get the opportunity. It is not out of all these statements are not out of my overconfidence, out of my experience, and if you see hundreds of comments which were given by uh, many students from around 20 countries, you can understand that what is the specialty of the system. With that confidence only, I am telling you, then you will be special after completion of this training. So this is a 120 days program. Thereafter, employed people, they may have aspiration, but they don't have much time. Here, one thing I am telling you, aspiration is different, and availability of time is different. Time also, mechanically, if you get some time and if you study mechanical, there is no use at all. That is a clear time, a peaceful time you require, and all that. That's why special programs, fast track training we are developing for them. It is totally different. I will explain it in a different place, and you can refer our website. And in this also, two categories: IT field. Some employed belong to IT field, and some are non-IT field. As far as IT field employees are concerned, they may not be in software development. Software development is the creamy area. So, if they want to migrate to software development, we provide service. We provide support. Thereafter, non-IT field. Non-IT field people may want to migrate to software development or other IT services. For them also, we are providing services. Now, these are all at individual level. And thereafter, institutions. Institutions and all that, they are most institutions in India are following academic approach only for IT training also. So already this is not a national comment. Across the southern states of India, I addressed more than a lakh students. What I observed is they simply follow academic approach by having them something and producing the exam and forgetting. So that approach will not do for the placement training. Here employability is the basic requirement. That's why for institutions and all that, I am providing this training freely and with a customized monitoring program. So they can enroll the students, and for them I give a monitoring program. Through that, they can get weekly report how they are preparing. Actually, student tendency is whenever they join a famous college, they are placed, whether they have knowledge or not. That is a wrong concept. The famous or otherwise, the, they undergo the placement training. If they have employability, they should be placed. Understand? For that purpose, how students are preparing, not by brand names. By brand names, you cannot get employability. Only by preparation, you get the employability. So that's why we are providing this weekly report. Weekly report, they can monitor, and there is some monitoring system. The students also carefully prepare because it is reported. By that way, the college management will have control over the student. They are not blamed by the students. We have paid this much fee and all that, underwent your course, but we are not able to get placements. How they can get? So if you provide a system and if you monitor them and all that, and only genuine students who prepared for the course can approach you and ask, ask, other student cannot ask you. So by that way, you can have a control over that. In that way, we can assist, we can help the institutions, and on their request, we can I can personally attend any college. Thereafter, the similar culture corporations, they may take batches from colleges and all that. What type of training they are undergoing and all that, they may not know. They may appoint some trainer. Here, this is everything from the scratch, and they can control how the trainees are preparing. You can have a weekly report or daily report also. For that, we can provide a program. In that way, in this manner, we are customizing all our courses which are suitable for all types of preparators, all types of career aspirants, and if you want to avail our services, you can freely avail, and if you find any difficulties or any advice, you can write to us.